Hi everyone! Today we're going to discuss the topic that is bail bonds for DUI arrests. Dealing with a DUI arrest can be both frightening and overwhelming. The legal and financial consequences of such an arrest can disrupt your life, especially in Auburn, where DUI laws are enforced strictly. One of the first concerns for anyone facing a DUI charge is how to get out of jail. That's where bail bonds come into play. Driving under the influence is a serious criminal offense in California, including Auburn. It refers to driving a vehicle while impaired by alcohol, drugs, or both. Law enforcement uses breathalyzer tests, field sobriety tests, and blood tests to determine the driver's impairment level. Legal BAC limits. The legal blood alcohol concentration limit in California is 0.08% for most drivers. For commercial drivers, the limit is lower at 0.04%. While drivers under the age of 21 must adhere to a stricter limit of 0.01%. Even a small amount of alcohol can result in a DUI arrest for underage drivers. Consequences of a DUI charge. DUI penalties in Auburn vary depending on the circumstances of the arrest. First-time offenders may face fines, mandatory DUI school probation, and a short license suspension. Repeat offenders, or those whose DUI resulted in accidents, injuries, or fatalities, will face harsher penalties such as jail time, long-term license revocation, and steep fines. The seriousness of the penalties escalates with each additional DUI conviction. When arrested for DUI in Auburn, individuals are typically taken into custody and must remain in jail until they are released on bail. Bail is a financial arrangement made between the defendant and the court to ensure that the defendant returns for all scheduled court appearances. Setting bail for DUI charges. Bail amounts are set by according to the severity of the DUI offense and the defendant's criminal history. The judge considers factors such as whether the DUI caused injury or property damage, whether the defendant was prior to DUI convictions, and whether the defendant poses a flight risk. In Auburn, as elsewhere in California, the bail schedule dictates standard bail amounts for various offenses. Typical bail for DUI. For first-time DUI offense in Auburn, bail typically ranges from $2,500 to $10,000, depending on the case specifics. If the DUI involves aggravating factors such as injury or repeat offenses, the bail can increase to $50,000 or more. This is where a bail bond comes in, crucially, as many individuals cannot afford to pay the full bail amount up front.